Okay, I think it's getting live. I have to go to my personal Facebook page. Hold on, coach. Done reflecting. All right, I think we're live. Check, check, check. Can you check on Facebook, coach? You can share the link from Facebook if you like. Yes. Check if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Hear me? Oh, yun. Delay lang pala. Medyo delay.
No, nakamute pala ako.
Ako din nakamute dito. Ayan. As long as naririnig mo ako ha. Pag hindi mo ako narinig,
Okay,
just say ano ba? Say X.
okay. X-Men.
Okay,
Ganyan.
say X. Ayan, nanonood ako sa YouTube sa Facebook ko right now. And
Ah,
share ko din ito sa chat room natin. We have so many chat rooms and also dun sa Global Income Builder Team group page natin. Okay. So, i-share muna natin habang naghihintay tayo ng ating mga guests today. I-check ko lang
may guest ba
sandali,
tayo?
Coach. I-share lang natin para alam nila na naka-live tayo ngayon. Oops. Sa Global Income Builder Team. Okay, I could see na. I can hear na.
They're from
Alright, share
where?
muna natin.
Philippines?
I-share ko lang sa mga ano natin, sa mga chat room. I hope
Ooh.
hello
Sana,
guys. I hope
sana,
you can hear us. We're here live once again. And welcome to our Global Income Builder Team podcast. I have
podcast.
here with me my friend. I think ilang years na ba? 6 years, I think, or more. 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah, ang ating friend coach who is in Japan. At makakasama natin siya para i-share naman niya yung kanyang experience sa mga businesses niya. She has a
Ooh.
running business in Japan. And of course, yung addition, yung ating pag-uusapan itong background ko, yung ating online
Yeah.
digital business na pinagkakaguluhan ng
Yeah.
mga tao ngayon. Siyempre, marami pa rin gustong makaalam kung gaano ba kaganda itong ating business. So, ako po pala ang inyong Coach Lola. I'm here in California and retired na po ako from the armed forces, no, as
Mm-hmm.
a civil engineer. Ang aking profession talaga, no, I've been into construction, I've been into a lot of businesses, but kapag nagre-retire ka na, naisipan mo mag-retire, humahanap po tayo ng negosyo and I found digital as the one that is very fit sa ating lifestyle, no? Yung nandito ka sa bahay, and marami pang iba. Marami tayong pag-uusapin ngayon kung ano yung aking business. So, ita-turn over ko po kayo. I-introduce ko sa inyo
Mm-hmm.
yung ating guest para sa malaman ninyo kung ano yung kanyang background and lahat pwede mong sabihin, Coach. Let's
Ah,
all welcome Coach Madonna Kirai from Japan.
yeah.
Take it away, Coach.
Thank you for your introduction. So, hello everyone. My name is Madonna, and I am here in Japan, in Saitama Prefecture, in Sayamashi and Shinsayama. This is a 40-minute drive, and this 40 minutes also din sa by train to Tokyo. So, malapit tayo sa Tokyo. We can go back and forth sa Tokyo. So we are friends. I am friends with Coach Lola. Yes, 7 years already. We've been through in many businesses venture like Live Good then, but oh, syempre, very big difference in this time, by this time, okay? I want to take this moment to share with you why I genuinely love Live Good and why I choose to be the member of this amazing movement, okay? I want to share about the products first, the products, right? So Live Good products, this is the real deal. Punta na ako sa products. Okay, this is the real deal. Um, I can give you three reasons why I love this. I love Live Good products. One is they are high quality. High quality. The ingredients they use premium ingredients to support our health, our wellness. So second is affordability. Finally, company that make products that doesn't break the bank, that we can buy and continue to sustain our business and buy our products for us and for the business also, and to be used by our friends and families. And lastly, it is trusted and um, made by doctors. If you are curious and wants to learn more, you can always visit our official website, and I am here for to share what's been working for me. Right, Mrs. Lola. So if you want to
Yeah.
add more about the products.
Yeah. So since I think this is your 1 year, your 1 year, this is your anniversary actually. Coming in this May is your
Yes.
anniversary month here in Live Good. And I'm so thankful that you joined me and you did not hesitate, no, when I passed you the link and about the business because I really love approaching my close friends first kung sakasakali dahil alam ko na they can have a big advantage with this business. And nakakatuwa, I know you ordered a lot of products already and you're ordering the international pack. Can you tell us kung
Mm-hmm.
ano-ano yung mga products na na-try mo na here in Live
Yes,
Good?
I've ordered international package nila, like yung Factor 4, I love it, Factor 4, and the Super Greens, the Super Reds, and also I have the mushroom coffee, mushroom coffee, and
I love
what
mushroom coffee. My favorite, one of my favorite.
I've all ordered also the peptides, collagen peptides. Sa background mo,
Yes,
nandun
of
pala siya.
course. Ay, eto yan. Yes.
So, sabi nga ni Aya, as what you've said, it's been a year, and in that year, I also, in Saitama here in Japan, I managed to have an aesthetic skincare lounge. And this is a
Yeah.
perfect timing also to have ang Live Good collaboration with the business also, because this is health and wellness and beauty, because the business will help us to feel good, look good, right? So parang
Yeah.
partners sila, they're partners. So talking about the business, what I chase with the business is number is flexibility. I want a business that I can do anywhere may it be, if I am having a vacation, when you're at home, or when you're in a beach resort, or in even an airplane, as long as we have, or as long as I have a laptop, iPad,
Yeah.
cell phone, and a good internet connection, we are good to go. We are good to go to do the Live Good business.
Me
Diba?
too, no? Although ako, I don't travel a lot na, no? Tamad na tayo being retired person. Natatamad akong magbiyahe. But then again, talagang
Mm.
kailangan mo ng isang negosyong napakaganda and napakamura. But this is the best for me dahil marami kang pwedeng ma-approach na tao, no? This
Mhm.
is for everyone. Ang concern ko kasi right now are yung mga seniors. especially
Mhm.
seniors age 60 and above. Those are my target market dahil they are the one who needs help, good help, di ba? So, nandiyan yung marami tayong products and actually every month nagla-launch tayo ng product and ang maganda talagang targeting yung pain, no? Pain management, weight loss, no? Weight management, mental clarity. Gosh,
Mm.
kailangan yan. Maraming namamatay sa dementia and yung ating mga
Yes.
bone and joints na and maraming iba nagtataka o para silang nanghihina and maraming tao pa rin ang hindi nagsusupplement. In fact, kanina we had
Mm.
our Zoom with the corporate team and we always learn every week from our CEO, from the corporate team, from Dr. Ryan Goodkin. We always learn every week. Kaya napakaganda pong mag-join dito dahil ang nagmamanage talaga ng presentation for us about the business is our corporate team and our CEO. Madalang ang company na nakikita mo na nagsasalita yung mga CEO. And mind you, every week po yan, talagang matututo ka sa kanila, di ba? So,
Yes.
yung announcement kanina, napakarami na namang dadating na products. We already have 30 plus
Wow.
products. When I
Mhm.
joined Live Good, siguro 8 product lang eh.
9 yata, 9 or 8.
Oo, parang
Yeah.
ganun lang, no? Super konti lang. That was January of 2023. And talagang nagulat kami almost dati. Every month may nila-launch, no? Very exciting. Especially kamakalawa, yung ating nilaunch this Thursday, I think, is the liver support.
Mhm.
Napakaganda, no? Sa
Mhm.
isang formulation lang, sa isang bottle lang, guys, talagang sulit na sulit yung inyong membership club. Binabayad nating membership club dahil napakaraming ingredients, no? So, one of my favorite, gusto kong i-discuss ngayon kasi baka hindi alam ng iba or yung nakatikim na ng super greens dati. Guys, ibang-iba po yung flavor ngayon ng super greens. Ibang-iba din ang content. Napakarami. Almost puno
Oh,
yung lalagyan.
I
And
should.
fine, fine fiber. Wala kayong yung dati kasi pero parang malalaki yung grind niya, no? Yung powder niya. Medyo nasasamid ako dati. But now, smooth na smooth
Smooth.
ang pasok sa lalamunan mo. At yung flavor, yung ang sarap talagang mapapaulit ka. Minsan nga gusto ko, naka-isang baso na ako, no? Parang gusto kong
Mhm.
tumoble. Pero syempre, tama, isang baso lang ako sa lunchtime, no? Yung mga multivitamins ko sa umaga yan. And coffee ko early morning. And then yung greens ko, super reds, aminos, E3 yan sa tanghali yan after
Wow.
lunch. And sa bandang hapon na yung aking factor 4. And sa gabi, yung alas 9 ng gabi, yung aking magnesium because
And
mind you, pag
magnesium also, I like it.
yes, pag inom mo kasi na, talagang makakatulog ka na after 30 minutes kahit anong pigil mo, inaantok na ako. And that's the magnesium that makes me have my regular bowel movement,
Mhm.
every morning. Pag hindi ako nakapag-take niyan, talagang hirap ako. So, we're talking about the international since nasa international since international si Coach Donna. So, in our international pack, anim po yun, which is only 99.95. 99.95, no? Anim na products na kung bibilhin mo yan sa iba, that will cost you around $300. Diba? So, kaya napakalaking sulit. Nung araw, nakasama ko si Coach Donna sa isang business. That is the very first time na nalaman ko na may networking business. Okay? No, sabi ko, ano ba to? Then, that's the very first time learning about networking, no? Referring people, something like that. At napakaganda talaga ng website noon. It's also in Florida. But to join in that business, you have to pay $390.
Yes.
And yung product ko
Expensive.
doon, tatlo lang. Sa $390, pipili ka lang yata ng tatlong product. Can you imagine,
Ah,
guys?
yes. The products are really good, but it's very hard to sustain it.
Yeah, pricey. And you
Yeah.
have to buy every month before, no?
Yeah.
Unlike here in Live Good, you buy when you like. And of course, meron tayong tatlong business. I-discuss ko lang ng konti. Yung tatlong business po natin dito sa Live Good is one is e-commerce. E-commerce, yung online shop, no? So,
Mhm.
pipili ka. Gusto mo bang, mahilig ka bang magbenta ng product? Mahilig influencer ka ba? TikTok influencer ka ba? Mahilig ka bang mag-live, no? Usong-uso na ngayon yan dahil once na maging influencer ka, talagang kumikita ka din sa social media. Pero hindi malaki. At kung minsan, hindi mo sarili ang social media, minsan nababan ka. 'Di ba? Merong akong mga
Pag
kakilala,
ni-report
very
ka na.
I don't know, kahit isang tao lang mag-report sa'yo o
Mhm.
mabwisit yung algorithm or yung technical technology ng mga social media na hindi mo pag-aari yung website, bigla ka na lang nawawalan na
Yeah.
nadidemonetize ka. Now, so yung e-commerce, kung TikToker ka or so, influencer ka, napakaganda po ng ating e-commerce system dahil ready na yung inyong products and ready na agad yung website ninyo. Yung first company namin ni Donna, talagang napakaganda po ng website niyan. Meron kang sariling website na natutuwa ako. At to compare it to Live Good, after Live Good, ay after that first company namin ni Donna, napunta na po ako sa isa, which is Korean base. Pero they are expanding around the world. And it so happened, wala kang website. You only have the dashboard. At yun ngayon yung naging pattern ng mga networking sa Pilipinas, no? Kaya gusto kong i-compare para doon sa mga bago pa lang na nagne-networking, puro dashboard lang po kayo. Mag-enroll kayo, hahanapin niyo yung inyong mga ano tawag dito, yung sponsor, kanino ba ako mag-enroll,
Mhm.
hahanapin mo pa yung detalye ng tinatawag na coding, no? Ang bagal at saka ang ano, mahirap. So, ang Live Good po is systematic, it's automated, and kahit natutulog ka, someone can sign up with you and purchase product from you. So, yung pangalawang business natin is also yung e-commerce, which is drop shipping. Narinig
Mhm.
ng maraming tao yung drop shipping, no? Ano ba yung drop
Shipping.
shipping, no? Marami pong nag-o-offer ng drop shipping. Pero iba-iba ang programa ng dropshipping. Kung ngayon nyo lang nalinig ang dropshipping. May nagda-dropshipping, lahat kasi pagka sinabing dropshipping, hindi mo hawak yung products, itong mga products natin. Ang may hawak niyan yung warehouse ng kung saan ka man kumukuha. So in our case, ang warehouse namin nasa Florida, USA. And ayan, yung ating mga, ayan sa likod ni Madonna, pinapakita yung warehouse natin na Chempod, no? Ayan, yan
Oh,
yung ating
right
warehouse with
timing.
Dr. Ryan and our CEO Ben Glinsky. Ayan
Dito
guys,
ako. Yan, para
nakikita
makita nyo
ninyo yung
guys.
warehouse natin,
Sa
ano?
gilid ako.
We already have 3 warehouses na yata o 4 warehouses dyan sa Florida, USA, guys. So lumilitaw lahat ng products namin ay galing sa napakaganda ng background ito, sakto. So galing lahat yan sa Florida, USA and lahat po yan ay made in USA. Just imagine, ano?
That's right.
So, hindi nyo hawak. But then, may mga company na nag-o-offer ng dropshipping. My goodness, hindi mo nga hawak yung product, pero pagka may bumili sa'yo, bibili mo din yung products muna doon. May gustong umorder sa'yo,
Mhm.
ikaw pa bibili ng products. Hindi po ganon ang Live Good. Ang Live Good, ibigay mo lang yung online tindahan mo, which is sure, it will be given to you. Multiple yan, 8 website yan. And yung client na natin ang mag-order ng kusa nila. Ang client na rin ang magbabayad ng shipping cost. At yung ng product na binili ni Coach Donna, that is 99.95, included na po yung shipping doon. Parang wala na kayong shipping. No? International, imagine whose company will give you that package na wala na halos shipping. $99 for 6 products. We also have another one, yung wellness naman. I think medyo mataas lang ng konti, but 7 products. No? So, sinabi ko sa inyo e-commerce, sinabi ko sa inyo dropshipping. Now, the third one is networking. No? So, kasi maraming tao na ayaw ng networking. All right? Okay lang yan. So, doon kayo muna sa direct selling. I mean, yan, direct selling from your website. And saka na kayo mag-network kung ayaw ninyong mag-network. As long as nag-join kayo sa aming affiliate program, magkakaroon tayo ng sarili nating website, personal yon, hindi mawawala ang sales mo, basta yun lang ibibigay mo sa mga client mo. And kung gusto mo naman maka-avail ka rin ng sarili mong products, magpa-member po tayo. That is $9.95. Once again, those two, optional yung isa, bahala ka. Pero the big income is on both, no? As an affiliate and
Mhm.
as a member. Ganon, ganon siya kaganda. So, hindi kayo pino-force dito. Walang forcing sa Live Good. You can also start as a member kung kaya mo lang yung $9.95. Now, as a member, nag-start ka ng $9.95, wala kang pampuhunan na $40 kasi one-time payment lang yung $40 sana. Pero kung hindi ka pa nakahanda, we are inviting you to join the membership club. But the membership club is only $9.95. And you will also have your referral link, but that is a different system wherein kapag may bumili sa referral link mo, as a member ka lang, you will get free products. Diba? Meron po kaming bagong program na yan, ni-launch last month. You will get free product as a member. And not
Mhm.
only that, from your dashboard, you can sell a little, no? A little, kasi meron kaming bracket na ito nga pala, no, sabihin ko yung bracket natin kasi nalaman ko lang last 3 days ago, yung isang member ko nag-order ng $2,000 na, $1,000 na, no? Hindi na siya maka-order dun sa additional 1,000. So, it seems to be na 1,000 lang yung quota as a member. Kasi as a member sana, pwede kang bumili ng sayo and then ibenta mo directly, meron ka rin kita as a member who is paying $9.95. How much is
95.
$9.95 sa Japan, Coach Donna?
$9.95. So, $10, di ba? Siguro mga
$10. Sabihin na natin
2,000 yen.
$10.
2,000 yen.
2,000 yen. And
Ganun.
sa Philippines, mga 500 or 600?
Yes. Mm-mm.
Yeah, 500 or 600 lang po yan. Kaya
Mga 8,
kung
8 na.
tutuusin, maliit lang yung 995. And kung sasabihin ko sa inyo, sa first joining ko sa Live Good, guys, once lang ako
Pinasak.
nagbayad.
Exactly. Mm.
And weekly, commission na yan. Talagang tumatanggap ako weekly since the beginning. I'm 2 years here in Live Good and continuously may income po ako weekly because I work. I work
Yes.
first,
Right.
no?
Yes.
Yes, mga ganon, 600. So, kung nandito kayo, you're watching here for business, actually dapat hindi po madali, no? Especially kung
Mm.
baguhan ka dito sa direct selling, sa networking or e-commerce. Kailangan po nag-aaral, no? Pag-aralan natin. Meron naman ang kagandahan, meron na kayong mentor. We are ready to help you and yun for you to learn. Nakaantabay po kami diyan. Hindi katulad namin na talagang, in my case, no, from above, siguro may isa lang o dalawa akong nakakausap, pero all-out support po ako and our team. Team in Japan, si Madonna. So, naka-all-out support po kami sa inyo. Hindi na kayo mahirapan kasi may mentor na kayo. Ang payo na lang natin, syempre, pag-aralan ninyo yung negosyo. Kung baguhan kayo dito, hindi mahirap sa umpisa, pero
Mhm.
kung pag-aaralan mo, magtatanong ka. Until now, may mga nagtatanong sa akin every day. Si Coach Susan, every day ang tanong niyan, every day ang chat sa akin yan.
Mhm.
Mag-focus ka lang muna. Yung first, second to third month mo, yun ang pinaka-critical eh. Kasi diyan ka din tatama rin. Maraming ganon na mawawala ka kapag hindi ka nakafocus sa mga activities ng team.
Mhm.
Especially nga sila si EO. Yan, napakagwapo.
Si ano.
Kapag tinititigan ko yung mata
Oh,
niya, sabi
in
ko,
the background.
si Jesus Christ. Para yung mata niya, no? And kumpletong-kompleto ang package po ng Live Good corporate team. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa.
You see them already, Coach Lola. Have you
Yeah,
seen them
you
already?
can see them very yung physical nila, physical health nila
In
talagang
person.
Oo. And I've seen them in person, except
Yeah, in person.
si Coach, si CEO. Siguro papunta ko ng Florida.
Ah,
Baka pagpasyal mo dito,
right.
makikita, ano ko siya, no? Yeah. So, open tayo sa 200 countries, guys, no?
Yes.
Yan. Kanina, and every day po mayroong advancement. Nakakatuwa kanina, yung report is we have additional to 1,000 plus, 10,000 a week ang nagjo-join sa Live Good. I did not hear that from other companies. May mga alam akong companies nung nahit yung billion nila, siguro umabot pa ng 7 years. And in fact, yung Amazon nga na e-commerce, nagsimula lang yan sa garage. Umabot siya ng 1 million members nung nag-open sila ng membership after 3 years. Ang Live Good, nag 1 million tayo in 1 year. Di ba?
Fastest, right?
Yeah, the fastest growing company and now number one sa Business for Home
Wow.
Organization website. Number one po in momentum talaga. Number one po tayo. Okay? Yan. Coach, ano pa yung kailangan sabihin? Baka marami ka pang...
Oo nga. So, yung kanina, you're asking how much yung $10 sa Japanese yen is 1,500 yen. So,
Oh,
for
maliit
a
pala.
12,
Hindi
mga
pala
for
2,000.
a, yes, yes, for
Yes.
1,000,
So,
for a
yung
1,200
$10,
pesos.
hindi, 600 pesos lang yung
600
$10.
pesos, $10.
Oo.
Dito sa Japan is 1,500 yen
Yeah.
ang $10.
So, kung maggagawa ka ng sarili mong website, kasi other companies, other networking companies, guys, ikaw ang gagawa ng website mo eh.
Mhm.
So, ang nangyayari, magbabayad ka ng, kung ibang company yan, magbabayad ka ng $25. Magkano yung $25 a month? Ganun po. O 39 and $90 a month sa ibang company. While in Live Good, sagot na yan, yung 995 mo. Kaya ka nagbabayad ng 995 is because you want to get the product discount, itong mga products natin. Ah, and nakakatuwa dahil almost all the products will be here, from household, personal, everything. Everything. Magandang sumali po sa company na nagsisimula pa lang.
And
Kung
from
sasali ka,
onwards pa, from Koreka din, ay ngayon pa lang, dadagdag yung products.
yes. Kasi ang target ng company talaga, from household, from lahat-lahat no? Ngayon, meron na
Everything.
tayong personal care. Dati naman may personal care pero in-enhance pa, no? And uh, yung iba, sana continuous lang po kayo ng practice and continue kayo sa mga dating member na natin kung nakikinig sila. Sana every week po kailangan ninyong pag-aralan yung mga mechanics ng ating website, yung mechanics ng how to deliver, mechanics on how to order, mechanics on how to transfer your commission, no?
Mm.
Dito po sa Live Good, ang isang pinagmamalaki natin is hindi sumasablay ang commission namin. Talagang weekly natatanggap ko yan, nating lahat yan. And unique yung kanilang compensation plan once you learn it, especially the matching bonus, which is not the binary, the matching bonus is where you can get wealthy. Talaga, nagugulat ako. Masyasyak ka kung magpo-focus ka muna sa networking ngayon, sa networking side of the business. Kasi marami ka nang magiging katulong dun sa e-commerce mo. Kasi kung pipiliin mo agad yung e-commerce ka lang, magbebenta-benta ka lang, ikaw lang yun. Di ba? While kung gusto mong i-leverage yung business mo talaga, reach out. Kailangan mag-reach out ka sa maraming tao for now in 3 months. Actually, after that, papahinga ka eh. Papahinga ka talaga. Yeah. Hindi ka na magre-recruit kung tutuusin, no? Hindi ka na after that 3 months focus. And siguro tutulungan mo na lang yung mga members mo, ganon.
Mm. Mm.
Right. Hindi ko
So,
makita kung sino pa. Meron ba tayong mga watcher for now? Kasi nasa Zoom po kami dahil hindi po pala accessible sa Japan yung StreamYard.
hindi.
Yung
Kanina
kanyang
nahirapan
platform
tayo.
ni ano. Yes, yung gadget niya hindi po
Mm-mm.
capable doon sa StreamYard kaya hindi ko masyadong gamay itong live ng Zoom. I don't know kung meron tayong mga ano dito. Kung saan po kayo nanonood, please comment below so we can mention your name and where you're watching from. And also kung member na kayo ng Live Good, just say po kung member na tayo ng Live Good. And kung hindi pa, we encourage everyone po sana na visit sa aming team website which is main.livegoodpros.com. Or kung gusto nyong mag-join kay Madonna, meron po siyang website. Can you tell Coach yung website mo, Madonna
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle? Yes.
Madonalifestyle.com. So,
MadonnaLifestyle.com. Tama?
yes. Mm-mm.
Yes, yan. So mag-join kayo dahil napakaganda naman. Maganda yung inyong magiging coach, di ba?
Thank you.
Ah, okay, what else?
So, yun.
Yun, ulitin ko yung focus, guys. Dito sa business ng networking, marami kayong mararanasan na negative people or marami kayong may encounter na negativity hindi or kaya wag kayong nakikinig doon sa iba na hindi nila alam yung inyong ginagawa or hindi sila nakapasok sa Live Good because kayo po yung nakakaalam ng inyong goal. Kayo yung magpo-program ng sarili ninyo. Kayo yung alam ninyo yung gusto niyo makatulong sa ibang tao. Our goal here in Live Good is really to help a lot of people as possible hanggang maaga pa. Actually, pag sumali ka sa networking, ng 5 years. Ano na yun eh, parang may plateau. Although, yeah, I think may saturation naman. Ayan pala, pinapakita na 9.95 per month and one time $40. Napakaganda ng may television palang background, ano? Makakapag-present ka.
Pero tayo ko,
Yes.
nagpe-present ako.
Ayan,
Course
oo.
Matrix. So, napakaganda
Yan.
nga kasi, no?
And also may balak si Madonna na magkaroon ng meet-up which is yeah, every week ba yun, Coach? Paki-promote mo na yung balak na ano mo diyan kung sooner doon sa shop mo, 'di ba?
Yes, I have an Este lounge, skincare lounge here in Shinsayama. So sa mga mas malapit sa akin or nandito sa Japan, we can meet up dun sa place ko. We can talk about the products, the business. Kasi after hearing what Coach Lola said, this Live Good business model is truly worth sharing with others. Right? Kasi hindi lang sa atin our market is global, napakalaki ng market natin, and it will help us to create real wealth, build wealth na hindi lang tayo kikita, we will feel good, healthy, wealthy at the same time, 'di ba? Tapos hindi lang sa atin, ma-share pa natin sa family natin, and later on, 'di ba? If they want to join and continue yung sinimulan natin, pwedeng-pwede, 'di ba, coach?
Yeah. Mas maganda yung gagawin mo. Maganda yung plano mo, no? Nag-usap kami kanina ni Madonna bago kami mag-live. Kung malapit lang ako sa city, I will have that kind of event, meet up, no? Kasi kahit na magkape ka lang diyan and
Mm.
offer yung mushroom coffee natin, no?
They
And
love
yung
mushroom
ano,
coffee.
oo.
We
Naka-order ka
love
ba
it.
ng plant-based protein? Yun kasi yung hinahalo ko
No,
sa
no, hindi pa.
Okay, dati natatamisan ako doon, but now I think na binawasan nila yung tamis, yung wala naman pong sugar yon. Ang meron yon is yung stevia. And all plant-based siya kasi gusto ko talaga plant-based. Although meron kaming whey protein which is yung whey is cow, no? From cow milk. So, yung plant-based po talagang gustong-gusto ko yan sa coffee ko. Para dati kasi pag kumakain ako, umiinom ako ng may ano ang tawag dito, yung may coffee mate. Sumasakit yung mga eto ko, yung mga daliri. Oo, tsaka joint. Kasi toxic siya. Yan yung company namin nung araw, yung pinapaginamit na yung sa likod mo, coach. Post ka
Ah,
na. Yan yung
be
company
fun.
natin before.
Like,
Inalis nila yung ano logo. But that's the company before sa Florida. Yan, nakakatuwa. I also want to tell everyone yung itong na-launch na skincare natin. I think hindi pa naka-order si Coach Donna nito. Okay. Yan. I want to tell you guys, itong one
I
set na
love
to,
it.
yeah, it's only 49.95.
I am excited
40.
to order this product and try it for
Yeah, you
myself and
should.
for my clients.
Yeah. So, napakaganda
Soon,
guys,
soon.
49.95. Magkano yung isa dun sa dating company natin? Isang product lang 130.
Yes.
And itong isa, ito hindi ko pa ito nagagamit, Instant Youth, yung nagpapaalis ng wrinkle mo instantly, mawawala yung wrinkle mo, no? Instant
Instant lip
Youth. Ito po dun sa
for
isang
instance.
company namin, 69.95. I still remember kasi marami din ako nabenta nito.
Mm-mm.
So 69.95. But here, buo na to. For four, meron ka ng toner, meron ka ng moisturizer, meron ka ng serum, 49.95. Grabe, diba? Grabe talaga sa,
49.95, right? Let me go
yeah.
check.
So after that, yung nasalihan ko, I'm also buying, mga 6 years ako nag-stay doon eh. Kasi pagka nag-stay ako sa company, ako kasi product based, ako product talaga eh. Yung tinitingnan
Mm.
ko sa company eh. Hindi ko masyadong tinitingnan yung compensation plan or income. So yung second company ko, after the first one, 6 years ako sa kanila tumagal. Hindi ako lumilingon sa ibang company. Lumingon lang ako nung makakilala na si Live Good.
Philip good. Yes,
So,
I'm sorry, sorry.
sige,
So I
sige.
really want to thank Coach Lola kasi every time meron siyang opportunity na makikita, hindi niya ako nakakalimutan. She always remembers me. Siyempre, dito sa Japan, we have busy lives. Hindi ko masyadong nakakapag-focus. But then again, ako na mismo right now ring ng bell kay Coach Lola. I'm ready. I'm ready to, yeah.
Yeah, kasi ano ako kasi post ng post. And would you believe guys, kapo-post ko noon, may mga tao na hindi ko talaga ni-recruit. Na kahit close sila sa akin na hindi ko sila ni-recruit and all of a sudden nalaman ko nag-message sa akin, "Oy, nag-sign up ako sa'yo. I signed up with you." I did not recruit those people. And nakakatuwa because may trust din sila sa atin and they're our friends then, no. I think relatives, when it comes to relatives, wala akong nire-refer na relatives. Wala akong nire-recruit na relatives right now is we live good. Gusto kong bahala sila kung nagustuhan nila. Ang masakit nga lang, dito sa mga relatives mo, kita mo may mga sakit, no? Nakakatawa kasi ang lola ninyo, for me, I'm super healthy. Hindi po ako nagkakasakit, 64 years old. And yung mga ibang kamag-anak ko naririnig ko merong pain, inflammation, no? Inflammation, headache, gut na namumroblema
Mm-mm.
sa GERD, namumroblema sa hilo. They have all the problems and yet, ewan ko, they're
They
not
don't want to try.
they don't want to try products and still rely on probably their doctors. Uh, our products is made by Dr. Ryan Goodkin, no? Ang ganda-ganda ng formulation niya. I'm still calling some relatives and some friends. I-review niyo po yung product namin. Hindi lang kayo makakatipid. Talagang high quality. At hindi ko man pwedeng sabihin na 90%, no, 100% dahil bawal yan. Bawal mong sabihin na gagaling ka. Bawal yun eh. So,
Mm-hmm.
para sa akin, in my case po, napakaganda po ng feeling at napakahusay ng products ng Live Good. No? Kasi akala ng iba dahil mura, akala nila kinat ang quality eh. Di
Mm-hmm.
ba? So, hindi eh. Hindi po ganon. I really hope na ano ninyo, na i-try po ninyo ang Live Good products. Okay. Yan. So, how many minutes na tayo? It is now 6:32. Ilang minutes na po ba kami?
Ilang minutes
Yan.
na
Kasi si
tayo.
Coach Donna matutulog pa lang po yan. Magpapahinga
Yes.
siya ngayon Saturday. Siyempre yung clinic, ano?
Yes, I have a client later. Medyo dapat
Yeah.
medyo ano naman tayo, masigla, fresh kasi baka maya sabi ng client, ikaw yata yung dapat magpa-facial.
Buti na lang beauty ang aking partner co-host. Beauty talaga. Ayoko talagang hindi ko siya makasama nung makita ko itong Live Good. Dahil talagang bagay na bagay po sa kanya, especially
Wow.
yung aesthetic niya na clinic, no? Kaya
Mhm.
kailangan niya to. Pampabata ng balat, no? If you want to stay younger, if you want to have good mental focus, no?
Yes,
Tingnan niyo
kasi
po.
focus na tayo diyan kasi syempre we're on our 50s, 'di ba?
Yeah. 50 ka ba? 49 ka lang, di ba? 40? In your 40s?
Same thing.
In your 40s ka pa lang, batang-bata, baby. Yes. So, yeah, I'd like to invite everyone around the world if this is the first time you learn about Live Good, if this is the first time you heard about Live Good, you are in the right company. If you join here, you are in the right you pay plan, ano? Kasi we twist, we revolutionize the networking industry.
Mhm.
360 degrees, diba? Dati, ang nangungumisyon lang dun sa mga old networking, especially binary, pag narinig kong binary ang program mo, wag mo na akong i-message kasi ayaw ko na dyan. Okay? Ang
Mm.
binary talaga, akala mo lang sinasabi, unlimited depth. No, you cannot perfect that. At ang kumikita lang sa binary is around 3% to 10%. Unlike here in Live Good, merong kahit na nasa baba mo, meron niyang maliit-maliit na nakukuha. May bumabalik sa kanila sa matrix, no? So kung
Mhm.
gusto niyo maintindihan yung pay plan, we have visit the website and we have a presentation by our CEO dun po sa pay plan page, and you can watch 2 videos para alam niyo yung how to earn from here. The best uh, pay plan do sa 7 ways to earn here is yung number 3, which is duplication, duplicate, matching bonus. That's the best program here na hindi ko inaakala na ganun nga kalaki. Sa matrix naman namin, it's just like parang merong kang tawag dito, yung parang kang may pension, isa yon, ano. Yun yung maliit, pero dun sa matching bonus malaki, guys. Okay? So may question ba? I don't see some of the people. We have people watching, so gusto kong mag-comment. Ay, may nag-comment yata, no? Oh my gosh, we have watcher pala. I'm sorry, guys. Na-carried away kami. Shout out ko muna tong mga nanditong nanonood. Coach Susan Tismo from uh, Quezon City, Philippines. Coach Susan, our gold leader here in the Philippines. Coach
Yay.
Gurley, my sponsor in San Diego, California. Siya po ang pinaka-sponsor ko. Also watching here is Talbot Miller, our Crown Diamond, the first Crown Diamond in Live
Wow.
Good. And he is here in the USA, guys. Siya lang yung nakadirect tayo dyan sa Crown Diamond natin na yan. Woohoo! Thank you, Coach Miller, team. Talbot Miller, you're watching. And kay Gloria Orense, once again, coach natin from Japan as well. Nakalimutan ko
Yay.
kung saan siya sa Japan. She's also watching. Coach Lolita Mendez from Makati, Philippines. She's also watching. Thank you so much for all of you. And once again, kakatuwa naman, Coach Talbot Miller, thank you for supporting us, your team. And we thank you for having the every Saturday Zoom training with that's a meeting, members to members meeting, all international global members. We have that with team Talbot Miller or Team Miller, guys. Yeah. So he's watching you, and I hope you visit Japan too. Coach Madonna will entertain you in Japan.
Come here and I'm
Okay,
waiting
good.
for you.
Yeah. I don't have some of the products here, but as you can see, guys, sa likod ni Coach Donna is showing there the Super Reds for your heart and vascular health, for your sexual health, clarity, uh, cognitive function. Yan po yung Super Reds natin. Lahat tayong may
Ah,
puso.
like this.
Yeah. So you can get that for $18, unlike the $39 from other brand. We also have the CBD oil, which I'm getting before for 100. This one is only 18, $14.95 for Live Good, guys. Okay. The other product, 79 and 89. But with Live Good, $18 for our super greens. And the international pack and wellness pack, we have 90 days money back guarantee, by the way. I forgot to say 90 days. Use the product. If you're not satisfied, return it, and we will refund you in full. Guys, ayan, pinabasa ko lang yung mga nasa likod mo. I'm just reading what you're showing there. So visit our website, guys. Visit Madonna's website at madonnalifestyle.com. We have all the tools and website that you need. You don't need to pay extra. Just pay one time $40 as an affiliate and $9.95 as a member. If you're not ready to become an affiliate, pay the $9.95 and you can get the products at lower prices, guys. Okay, $9.95 to 1,400 yen only,
Yes,
and
1,400 plus yen.
correct. And
1,500 yen.
500 to
Very cheap.
600 pesos. Pesos
Very
from
worth.
the Philippines, you will have your Live Good shop and affiliate link. Oh, no, not affiliate, members link. We have
Yeah.
the members link. All right. Saan ka nakakita 90 days? I think the other company that we had, I think 60 days. That's right. We have 60 days before with the first company. But with Live Good, we have 90 days, guys. Okay. So, what else? Wala na,
Oh,
di ba?
so guys, if you are ready to start something that fits your lifestyle and will give you a shot to create a financial freedom, live good tayo.
Yay!
Let's grow, let's glow, and go global.
To Global, thank you. God bless you all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this
Thank you
live
so much.
para makasama kayo with our cash raffle every month sa Global Income Builder team, guys. Thank you
Thank you
so
so much,
much.
everyone, and thank you, Coach Lola. Thank you so
Welcome,
much.
welcome.
I wish to do this
Bye-bye.
again.
Don't go away. We'll just turn our live. We will turn off our live. Yun, yung stop sharing. I mean, stop live stream. Okay. Nag-live stream kasi ng Zoom.